In this video I will compare the Celestv Microneedle tanning patch against traditional sun-free methods to see how this unique delivery system stacks up. While traditional lotions often sit on the surface, this product, also marketed as the Per-Ev Labs Sun-Free Glow Patch, uses microneedle technology to provide a bronzing effect. The standout feature here is the specialized application method, which is designed to be suitable for all skin types. When you look at the trade-offs, traditional tanning mousses require messy mitts and long drying times, whereas these patches offer a targeted care approach. The side-by-side contrast is clear. One is for full body coverage, while this Celestv option focuses on specific areas with a moon-rind microneedle design. In terms of features, a natural-looking glow is the primary promise for those seeking a sun-free alternative. A notable detail is that these come in a 2-box set, which is a great value if you are looking for consistency across multiple applications. However, a major consideration for shoppers right now is availability, as the product is currently listed as unavailable with no clear timeline for a restock. If you prioritize precision over a full body spray, this microneedle approach wins for targeted bronzing without the usual streaks. It represents a more technical shift in the beauty and skincare category, specifically within the self-tanner niche. Let me know in the comments if you prefer patches or traditional lotions for your glow. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more beauty tech reviews.